So today I'm going to review and show you how to make Quaker instant oatmeal in a style that you normally see in a restaurants or in a hotel. So normally when you make these kind of oats at home, it becomes either watery or very gluey. I'm going to show you the perfect way to make it. So I got this Quaker oat and I'm going to take 2 packets out of it, like this one. So in each packet it states that you need to put a 150 ml of water. So I will take 2 packets to mix it up. One is like a generic one, another is a oatmeal regular, another one is a classic oatmeal. So I'm going to mix both of them and I'm going to show you how to make a perfect oatmeal at home. 2 packets, so in total this is around 300 ml of oatmeal. So it states on the packet that you need to put 150 ml each packet. So in turn it means you need to put 300 ml. So don't put 300 ml in total, put slightly less. If you see, I'm putting around 250 ml into this oatmeal and I'm going to put it. And after that you put this oatmeal in a microwave oven for around 1.5 minutes. So I'm going to put this oatmeal in a 1000-watt microwave, and if you see, I put a paper plate beneath it. And the reason is that in case if the water spills out, it won't make my microwave dirty. So almost 2 minutes are over. So what I'm going to do is that once it is done, you just mix it like this with a spoon and let it rest for around 1 minute, and then I will show you the next step. After 1 minute you will see this kind of a smooth gluey consistency, which is very nice. You will really love it. But there's a trick and tips how to make it more yummy, so stay tuned and I'm going to show you the next step. What I have done, I have added I've taken a 2% milk and I have added roughly around 50 ml of milk, not more than that. 50 ml is more than enough. So what it will do is that it will do wonder for this oatmeal. It will make it very creamy and tasty, because some people, what they do, if you put the milk right at the start, the milk will boil down and it won't taste yummy. Now if you see it watery, it's perfectly fine. You need to put this in microwave for another 1.5 minutes or 1 minute, and keep an eye on this one so that milk doesn't spill out. Anyway, you have a plate, and then it rests for around 2 minutes, and then you will see it will look so tempting, so nice, so yummy that you will love it. My bowl is in the microwave. Now a few more thing is that the tip or the trick or with the oatmeal is the patience. You need to keep oatmeal rest for around couple of minutes or at least 5 minutes, because that makes it like smooth and a kind of a gluey consistency, and you're going to love that. Next step is that you need to I will say not garnish, but these are some kind of essential ingredients which will increase the taste manifold, or it will really make it the complete and wholesome meal. So one is like you need to have some raisins, some walnuts, and brown sugar. Brown sugar is kind of very essential for the oatmeal. So let's see how does it turn out when I put all these ingredients. So friends, if you can see, my oatmeal is ready. You will see a kind of a glaze on top of my oatmeal. That is nothing but a brown sugar. So this adding of a brown sugar add texture, add color, and definitely it adds a taste as well. So 2 things you need to remember: you need to add brown sugar towards the end, and you need to keep your oatmeal take rest for 5 minutes at least. In this way, your oatmeal will turn out into a superb, delicious, yummy meal, which will be comparable to any of the oatmeal that you order at any of the famous restaurants. So please do like and subscribe to our channel, and I hope you will try this yummy oatmeal at your home as well. To do share with me how did your oatmeal turn into. Thank you for watching, and keep liking our videos and subscription to our channel. Thank you. Bye.